Let's try printing ABS-GF. Chamber temperature is now about 53 degrees Celsius.
Can you imagine this kind of quality for the ABS GF printing on SnapMaker U1 with my custom top cover along with ventilation fan, which is running in about 5,000 RPM right now. The chamber temperature is up to over 50 degrees Celsius at the moment, according to the temperature sensor from the chamber as well as two head temperature sensor. I speed up the pin speed for the outer perimeters in 200 and inner by 300 millimeters per second. As you can see here, it has no swapping. It sticks well to stock PI sheet. Actually, this is PEI plate, sorry. Stick well. No swapping. Can you imagine this quality? ABS-GF.
If you found this helpful or fun, like, comment, subscribe.